your part? Okay. So you guys can see on the slideshow, we do have our annual sing-along. We want to welcome all of our kindergarten students to our sing-along because it's the first year that you guys do this. And to everybody else, welcome back. We do this every year at Geer Park. We gather before our winter vacation to come together and have fun and sing, but we wanted to make it extra fun and special this year. So not only do we have a sing-along, we also have a Minute to Win It assembly. Do you guys know what Minute to Win It games are? Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys how you earn or play Minute to Win It games. Everybody who's been on green all week, your teachers gave me your names. I have all the grade levels here. We're gonna pick one name out of each grade level. You guys, whoever's name gets picked, gets to play the game. We have 9 games. In between each of our songs that you've been practicing with Miss Pravetch, I know she's been working very hard on the songs with you. So we'll take a break between each game, sing a holiday song, then do another game. However, what happens if you're not listening to the directions of the game? You don't get kicked out, you might lose. We want you guys to win. Every winner of each game wins a gift card from Five Below. And even if you don't win, you still get a small prize. Are we good? Yeah! So every game's gonna have winners and every game's gonna have, and that's okay. We're here to have fun. We're here to have fun. We're here to be a family, cheer for each other.